Hello, everyone. How you doing today? Master Kevin FX here, El Dorado FX Premium. As you know, we basically are here to analyze gold in US30. We're not gonna spend so much time on the chart today. We're just gonna explain a little bit, 4 hours, and we're going with trend lines this time and establish the pattern that we basically getting from gold. And from there, we're gonna probably try to suggest an entry. So this is the first one, as you can see. So here we have our trend line going upwards, and once again, right here, if we notice, we got another one, and then right here we got let's say another one. So going to the upside. So this is what we see on gold. If we use our regression trend, we will notice that it will give us a channel in 4 hours that gold is following right now. And the last bounce was from this area right here that is basically merged with our trend line. So what I'm expecting from gold is once again to try to retest this area. If not, it's gonna just keep pushing to the upside. That's what is gonna happen because I'm expecting two things. So as gold respected this area right here, as you can see, half retracement, and then it went up basically from this orange area right here. And this is what I'm expecting. So most likely that we're going to try to have a retest of the area and gold we try to keep pushing up. That was basically what I'm expecting, targeting 2,560. That would be the target that we've been putting our eyes on. And I share that target already our uh, in our Telegram channel, guys. In case you want guide entries, remember that you can join our Telegram group and also join our Signal group. So remember to always follow us. We are sponsored by Vantage FX and by PU Prime. So for now, I'm expecting a bullish continuation. We see what is happening right now. We just need to follow the flow, and the flow is up. That's what is basically happening. And at the moment, I'm considering every retracement as an opportunity to enter a buy. That was basically I'm expecting from gold right now. So once again, expecting the retest of this area right here. So then check for confirmation to go into a buy again. And yes, suggested SL will be below the trend line. So this is probably 70 pips SL. That's what we're looking for. So in this case, I would suggest the entry would be around 2,509. Let's round it up, 2,509. And then we'll take profit to 2,160. That's the final take profit. And the stop loss that we're doing right now will be 502. Yep. This would be the scenario that I'm expecting for gold, up continuation, retracement, and up continuation, especially after we see the daily closing. We can even, price can even keep pushing up from here, but right now we know that many sellers will try to get into the game, but for me, selling is risky. It is very risky right now. We will need to see what tomorrow brings and also the news that we have along the week. Especially tomorrow, we have FOMC again, FOMC again, and that can give us more direction. And then Thursday, unemployment claims, and let's see what happens, what goal we do with that. So remember, this is only technical. This is only what I'm suggesting is to look confirmation and look for buy confirmations So look for buys confirmations from 2,509 to 2,500. So as long as gold remains above 2,500, that means the price 4 hours at least doesn't close below 2,500. We still expect that price can keep pushing up. So this is what I'm expecting most likely. Okay, so this is for gold right now. What I'm expecting what's going to happen. So today I suggested a setup today. Unfortunately, we got this setup that I sent on my Telegram was the confirmations to check for confirmation by confirmations in these two main areas. So for now, yeah, the area that was respected was 2,500, and then price put just up like more than 140 pips right now. So yeah, that's basically a retracement that was expecting a full retracement even to 2,486. So yeah, that was my two suggested area in there for the price to keep pushing up. But as you can see, guys, we've been reaching a lot of targets over the forecast. So hopefully you guys are hooping on into the buys. Because for example, this is another suggested setup that it couldn't be completed, but he couldn't get the entry, but in the end, he basically gave a lot of pips. So we still managed to get pips given this the forecast. So just try to follow our forecast, and then you always try to find confirmation for your entries. So now, US30, very briefly, we can see an inverted head and shoulder in daily. So meaning that we're probably gonna have a retracement over here, and then price is gonna keep pushing up. So this is what I'm expecting in US30. This is my suggested setup would be a long position here, and then even targeting further up prices. Yeah, this is what I'm expecting on US30. So this is the setup that if you guys want to follow it, but buy confirmations on US30 once again. Let's just go here. Let's just paste it here. But once again, we're gonna try. If I suggest to find buy confirmations on US30 from 40,697. 40,697. Buy confirmation 40,697. All right. And then the SL 40,578. 40,578.80. All right. 0.8. This is what I would basically suggest you to do, guys. In terms of US30, you know the bias has been biased, especially now after confirming the weekly bounce, and we also confirmed the daily bounce from the price. And since we forecasted this and tried and suggested an entry, we're talking about more than 1,200 points. Congratulations if you made the best of that. So now, guys, I leave you to it and take care and speak to you soon. Have a nice day and nice trading day.